Susie. I'll have your Halloween forecast in just a moment. But something I didn't talk about earlier in the programme was the fact that there has been a 21% drop or reduction in the number of nights with an air frost in our region. Now, the 11th of October is the average date of the first air frost here. And this year, on the 13th of October, we did have a frost at Santander on the Norfolk-Suffolk border. But for most of us, it has been a frost-free autumn so far. But there's a good chance our first frost will be around the same time as last year, the 1st of November, because it's hard to believe that October has nearly been and gone. And next week, there are some frosts in the forecast, and I'll come to that in a moment. But tonight, a few sharp showers, but for most of us it'll be dry. There'll be some clear spells and a chillier night than last night with lows of about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. And the wind's tending to ease from the west, but we could still have gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour. And then tomorrow we've got this weather front pushing in from the west, so that is going to bring a cloudy and wet spell of weather during Saturday morning, and some of that rain could be on the heavy side, but it will rattle through very quickly. And Saturday afternoon, give or take 1 or 2 showers, is looking fine and dry with some decent spells of Saturday afternoon sunshine. Highs of around 13 or 14 degrees Celsius and light to moderate south to southwesterly winds, so not as windy as today for most of us. Now, don't forget, you need to reset your clock on Saturday night. You get an extra hour in bed if you're lucky on Sunday. You might not want to get up till the afternoon actually, because this weather front, another one, is going to bring some more wet and windy weather on Sunday morning. And in fact, the Met Office has actually issued a yellow warning for heavy rain for parts of Buckinghamshire, Hertfordshire and Essex. Here we could see 20 to 30 millimetres of rain, so over an inch in places, and some of that will be falling on already very saturated ground. But Sunday afternoon, for most of us, again, apart from an odd shower, is looking fine and dry. But we're going to have a windy spell of weather on Sunday too, with gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour quite widely, perhaps up to 50 miles per hour on the coast. And then the unsettled theme continues into next week. With showers, there'll be some fine and dry weather, but perhaps a longer spell of rain on Tuesday. And we have got some colder nights to come. Definitely the risk of a frost. On Thursday night, we could drop down to around 2 degrees Celsius. Have a lovely weekend.